Hi, here's my Husqvarna 137 saw. I'll show you it starting from cold. In the background you can see some of the trees depth or diameter that's been cut. The saw's stone cold, as you can see there, touching the carburetor. On a Husqvarna, to start it, if it's on stop, you put it to run, you pull the choke full out and you give it one pull or two pulls on the lever, and you'll hear it want to start, and when it does that you put the choke halfway in and then pull it again and it'll start, and I'll show you. Thanks for watching. Stop.